I just want to show you, this is what we bought to lay down before we put our hardwood flooring down. It's Aquabar B. It's recommended by the hardwood flooring. Kentwood is what we're putting down. It's something like about $130, $140 a box, 20 square feet. And so I just want to make sure that we had some type of barrier down on the floor. This is this is what we're putting down. Tongue and groove, 3/4 inch hardwood flooring. Very nice stuff. You don't have to punch it to put it together. It just snaps together. I mean, it snaps, but I mean, it just goes together. It's milled perfectly. Nice flooring. So I want to make sure I had a barrier down. Don't want to be 15 years down the road and say, geez, I wish I would have. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. Putting down my flooring. Okay, so I'm starting my project. I got my floor nailer today. Got my underlayment laid down. And I'll show you my nailer in just a minute. Okay, now I'm going to check to see if my walls are straight. I'm going to do that with this thing right here. I'll put it right by here. And I come out with 9/9. Should be straight. I built it. Check one right here. And that one comes out at 9/9. So what that's telling me is that when I start at this end and go to the other end, boards remaining straight, I won't be off. It's square. Good deal. All right, I'm going to start laying hardwood floor down. Okay, this is finishing my wood floor in my bedroom in my tiny house. This is a Kentwood flooring. It's 3.5 inch wide, 3/4 inch thick, and this is what I purchased off Amazon. This Numax. I think it was for $120. And like everyone else says, you know, to rent one, it would have cost me more. Just because I can't do all this stuff in a day. You know, since we're living in the house, and then you have to move everything out, move it out to where you have no space, and everything's got to come back in. It makes it hard, but the floor turned out really, really nice. So, you know, if you want to put a hardwood floor in your tiny house, it's doable. And so what's nice, when I put the siding up, I knew I had to keep 3/4 inch off the floor for the flooring. And so then that allowed me to go 1/4 inch under the siding and still leave me 1/2 inch. So it turned out nice. All right, thanks for watching, and keep moving forward.